Perfectly baked chicken, a quick guide.
Welcome to this quick guide on how to bake chicken. In this video, we're going to discuss how long it takes to bake chicken at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a common question that can stump many new cooks, but don't worry, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in.
How long does it take?
When you're baking chicken at 450 degrees, the cooking time will typically range from 15 to 20 minutes for boneless chicken breasts and 30 to 45 minutes for bone-in chicken pieces. It's important to note that these are estimated times and actual cooking times can vary depending on the size and thickness of your chicken pieces.
How do I know when it's done?
While cooking times are a good guide, the best way to know if your chicken is done is by checking its internal temperature. The chicken is safe to eat when its internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To check this, insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken without touching the bone.
What if I don't have a meat thermometer?
Don't worry if you don't have a meat thermometer on hand. There's another way to check if your chicken is cooked. You can make a small cut into the thickest part of the chicken piece. If the juices run clear and the meat is no longer pink, then your chicken is done. In summary, when baking chicken at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes for boneless chicken breasts and 30 to 45 minutes for bone-in pieces. However, remember to always check the internal temperature or the color of the meat to ensure it's cooked properly. With these tips, you're now ready to bake the perfect chicken. Happy cooking!